All right, today's repair, 2008 Jeep Wrangler. What we're gonna change today is the PCV valve. So you can get these things at your standard auto parts store, so O'Reilly's, AutoZone, wherever they'll all have them. I'll put a link in the description, or an Amazon link in the description if you're not in a hurry. You can order it on Amazon. We did sign up for that Amazon Associates thing, so we get a kickback if you order the Amazon from the link, but any auto parts store will have it. So what we're gonna do is over here is super simple job. This hose coming in here that runs in behind your coil pack right here. This pull that hose off, it's right underneath there, and it's like a press fit, so you'll see what it looks like. This apparently, and it will also cause oil consumption and possibly like slight misfire, so it could address a lot of problems. So this is what your PCV valve looks like. Sounds like that. You can shake it back and forth and hear it. It's got a little rubber press fit, so we'll pop that hose off, and then we'll pull this out with some pliers and pop this one in and put it back together. All right, so I pulled the hose. You can see the PCV valve sitting down in here. I use this fancy hose clamp removal tools. I got like a whole kit, but you can get it with pliers or whatever. So let me go grab a set of pliers. But look how much oil is on that bad boy, dude. I think we found the culprit here. All right, let me grab some pliers and be right back. All right, I'm just gonna reach in with these channel lock pliers and grab a hold of it and wiggle it out. Not even gonna have to wiggle it out because it wasn't even in there good. So let's see. I mean, this one's rattly. Like, it should be working, I would think. Look how oily it is. Cleaned it anyhow. This would be way easier with smaller hands. There we go. It just press it right down in there. And that's what it looks like. Get it pressed in there good, and now we'll put that hose back on top and see if it works. That easy. All right, oil's good, tune's good. I'm gonna get my mom to pull it over here. We're gonna idle it again and see if it still does the lightning bolt. I'm also gonna grab my scanner and see if that check engine light's somehow related or something totally different. So I'll let you know whenever it works. Well, didn't fix our lightning bolt problem, but either way, that's how you change a PCV valve.